Hello everybody, happy to be back with all of you to Decoding the Market. You subscribe to my channel to invest in yourself and your education and get informed on everything that's going on in the crypto market and get technical analysis of your favorite asset. I'm here today sharing important information. I'm going to talk about Chainlink and Phantom Network. Chainlink Network offers a solution to the age-old problems. Garbage in, garbage out, which means that an application can only produce high quality results with high quality data. Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network built on Ethereum that provides smart contracts, a tamper-proof and highly available connections to all of the world's highest quality data feeds. With a Chainlink, a smart contract can access data pertaining to financial markets, cryptocurrency prices, weather, sport results, IoT, sensor readings, and any other real-world validated data needs. To enable more robust and useful blockchain-based application, Chainlinks provide the definitive truth about the real world for high-value smart contract application for any blockchain network, securely connecting the world existing infrastructure to the emerging blockchain infrastructure that aims to redefine it. I highly recommend it to get more informed about this network to fully understand how it works before you invest. Chainlink is now in the number 23 with 3 billion market cap, circulating supply 467 millions, and a maximum supply 1 billion. But before to jump into the technical analysis, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to don't miss any of my new videos. Doing so, you will help the channel to grow and reach other people to get educated and stay updated in the crypto market. Without further ado, let's jump into it. Let's take a look at the whole picture first to identify key levels. As you notice, since the conception of Chainlink, start to forming a parallel ascendant channel from here with support and resistance levels, such as the first one right up here that happened in July 1st 2019. The following was in August, the following was in February, and then last two was right here, one in April, and the last one in May the 20th when hit $53. And the support levels, one over here, the next one was right up here in March, and the last one was right up here when I have too much confluence in price touching the lower ascending parallel channel. And finally breaking below and failing to test now the resistant lower parallel line. Now let's take a look at the potential continuation to the downtrend, starting from the all-time highs when price hit $53 in May 10 to the current price. So far, Chainlink is 88% down as we speak from the all-time highs, with a potential drop of 90%, testing the all-time highs happened in 2019 when it reached the price $4.58. Let's take a look now at the 4 hours chart, which is showing us two potential support key levels. The first one, it's already happened in this area when it's testing the lows from May. So right here, if the price drops below my green box level, is increasing the possibilities to drop to this area, which is around $5.46 to $5.30. Like I said before, guys, if the price break below this green box, the potential to reach this area will increase the possibilities to, in the near future, price will test this level 4.58. If you remember before what I said, will finally test the all-time highs happened in 2019 and dropping the total of 90% if that happens, 90 to 91%, which is about only 3%, which this could happen very quickly since the price is dropping very fast in 4 hours time frame. This will confirm and expecting the CPI report tomorrow with a potential 8.8% if at 12:30 p.m. If this happens, will affect the market to continue the downtrend in price. And the possible move could look like just like this, using my bar patterns started from here, doing exact the same move from here and just move it over here. Just something like this can happen. I'm gonna put it in red just to make it clear that it is the downtrend and touch our second support level that we are looking at before. So now you have a better idea what to expect in the near future, but not before. I would like to share some information from Chainlink, the latest news. Chainlink smart contracts product go live on Phantom. Two protocols, Keepers and BRF, will allow developers to deploy more sophisticated application on the Phantom network. The next video will be about Phantom network. Remember guys, Chainlink is currently 88% from the all-time highs when it hit $53, with a potential change of further decline due to the current market condition, reaching, like I said before, up to 90%, 91%, or even further, testing the all-time highs from 2019 when it reached $4.58. So if you are an investor, a better price for you will come soon to enter the market. If you're still here, please don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to don't miss any of my new videos. With this, thank you so much for joining me in this video. See you in the next one. Thank you. Have a wonderful evening. Bye bye.